We've got to remove the Rockshaft housing on this John Deere 2030 tractor. The 3-point hitch suddenly stopped working. Anyway, automatically, all of a sudden you just can't move the 3-point hitch. We've got to take the Rockshaft cover off, disconnect lift links off of the Rockshaft arms. This and this. Remove the battery ground strap. Just make sure nothing starts on us. Removed transmission cover. There is the starter safety switch that just slides on top of these two terminals. We disconnected the lift links from the Rockshaft arms. The next step is to remove the seat assembly. We removed the seat and took our hydraulics off of here. Next step is to disconnect the rear lines off of the remote and then disconnect this return hose between the remote and the Rockshaft housing. We loosened all the bolts. That didn't take too long. However, we started taking them out and realized there were like at least 3 different lengths. And so we left them all in their slots and numbered them so that we know which one where they go back. The problem that we thought was that this pin might be gone, but that pin is there. We did find this spring sitting inside. It was just kind of laying right up here. The spring connects between the top of this cam, it's like the valve cam arm, and it connects on that pin. And we got the spring connected to the cam arm. And now we got to put it on that other. Man, that's a tough spot for my hand. So there it is. Now when we move the control arm lever, it moves the cam, actuates the valves in the Rockshaft. This should work. Time for reassembly. Well, we gotta move the string and then time for reassembly. We're now putting the Rockshaft cover back on, and it's quite important that the cam follower up here, the cam follower on top of the load control arm, mates up with the roller link on the control valve linkage.